Welcome to This is School Meals.
Welcome to the movement.
Because this show is all about school meals, both chefs must follow the National School Lunch Program guidelines. Well, I found some judges, and we have some awesome middle school kids and a parent here today. Let's introduce the chefs. We have Chef Irma here from J.T.M.
My initial thought was it was going to be J.T.M versus Butterball. I didn't think that we are going to be competing against on the food service side.
And Chef Nick, he works at a Michelin star restaurant.
I'm used to cooking with a lot of butter, a lot of fat, a lot of salt, so it was definitely very challenging.
Irma.
Oh my God.
Look, shaking over
I'm
here.
shaking.
They can only use the items that are available in the pantry that we have provided.
Our whole grain rich mac and cheese now is at a level 2 sodium reduction. And so one of the newer items in that line we have is our Korean barbecue sauce. And it is also a cleaner label.
What are the chefs going to be cooking with today?
Yeah, so today we brought some of our breakfast products. We have our fully cooked turkey bacon and our fully cooked turkey sausage patties. So we're really excited to see what the chefs come up with today.
We have Chef Bettina Applewhite.
Who knows what you're walking into? That's exactly, you're like, I don't know the chef. I don't know what ingredients I'm gonna have. I have to make something that the kids are gonna love.
Normally I don't like broccoli, but this broccoli is really good.
And Chef Rob.
When Marlon told me who I was up against, I honestly felt a little intimidated because obviously you're on their home turf. This is someone that's professional, not only just in professional cooking, but also in the school system and does this every day. I was definitely a little out of my element, but I was up for the challenge.
I like the quesadilla.
You guys are gonna be judged on 3 different things: the appearance of the food, the taste of the food, and how creative you both can be. I know you guys are competing, but do you have or do you want to give Rob any words of advice, or no, just throw him to the wolves?
No, just, no. No.
Right,
Every man for himself.
All right.
Every man for himself,
Yeah.
all right.